Hello everyone, it is Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So this is my update and number 2 of my sampled out project pan. Basically it is a project pan. I was just trying to avoid calling it another project pan because I'm sure some of you guys are like, oh, another project pan. So this is where I'm trying to use up my samples, and you guys, I did super good this month. I gave myself a month to use up the ones I choose. I obviously did not think this through because I used more than I pulled, which is fine, but I have some that I'm going to share with you guys that I used up, and then ones that I'm currently using, and then from there we're going to pull more out of my sample bags to continue to use these. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. This was a hair care one that I pulled out, and it is the Living Proof Prime Style Extender. Love this. I knew I was going to like this a lot. I love this. I love the smell of it. I love how it made my hair feel after I styled it. I love this. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to hold on to these until the summertime to see how it works with the frizz and the humidity, and to do my hair in the summer is more of a pain. So I want to hold these off to see, because I loved it in the winter, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this in the summer. So I used this all completely up, and you know how that went. So for my face, let me see, I'm just grabbing as I see, so I don't know. Okay, so for my skincare, remember I pulled that box, this box right here, of moisturizers. So there was a ton of them in there, and I got through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got through 5 of these. Each of these can give me up to 4 uses. So that's a lot in here, and I really like this. You can use this from head to toe. So it's not just a moisturizer for your face, you could use it from head to toe. I have purchased some of these deluxe sample size or kits for my mother-in-law. She suffers from eczema, so it helps her skin, and I knew I was gonna like it because she enjoys it very much. It's really moisturizing, specifically now for this time of year, because it is so dry that it really moisturizes my skin. So I really, really like it. You're probably wondering, Alex, did you finish the whole box? No, I did not, because I'm only using it for my face. I actually have a deluxe sample tube down in my kitchen where Mr. Man and I use it for our hands. So hopefully that will be done and I can put this into the sample size. That's the only reason why this isn't done, is because I'm only using it on my face, but I'm really enjoying that. Now I pulled out this one, this was in Eye Concentrate. This is from Fresh, Black Tea Age Delay. It firms and illuminates. I really didn't like this. I've come to realize that not many eye creams do I really like, and this I didn't care for. It didn't do anything. It didn't really moisturize under my eyes. It really didn't do much. So I wouldn't even purchase that if I wanted to. I pulled this one out too, Sephora Mud Mask, Purifying and Mattifying. This reminded me of the Glam Glow, the black one. I could not stand this. Dare I say I hated this. I hated this so much that I pulled every other sample I had in my bag and I decluttered them. It's not so much the product too, because it dried out my skin and I don't like that. I have other masks that purify and pull everything out that don't dry me out. This one dried my face up, and not only that, the smell of roses of this is so strong. I couldn't take it. I could not take it on my face. It was just way too strong, and it's more of an artificial rose, and that's the scent I do not like. So for that reason alone, I decluttered them all. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. And if you have a sensitivity to scent, don't try this, because I even got like a little red mark right here on my cheek from it being so strong of a scent. Don't like it. So this was another skincare I pulled out. This was like a 2-step thing from Korres. It was a Wild Rose Vitamin C Petal Peel. I really, really like this, you guys. So this also had a rose scent, but this was more of a natural rose scent, which I didn't mind. It didn't linger and it didn't overpower anything. So what you did was you put this on, let it soak in, which was like a gel, and then you would put the actual peel on top, let it sit, and it would actually tingle on your face. It felt like I had to scratch my face, but that's what it's supposed to do, and then you would rinse it off. I got 2 uses out of it, only because step 1 didn't have enough gel to use up with this. Like if this had enough gel in it, I could have used this 3 times, but I really like it. I did look it up. I don't think it exists anymore, but I did like it while I used it. So that's another thing I did like. The other hair product that I used was this Phyto Exceptional Mask for ultra damaged brittle hair. It was okay. I got 2 uses out of it. You're supposed to use it in the shower. It was all right. It softened my hair. Did I see anything special? No, not really, but okay. Yeah, sure. Why not? The other one that I pulled out was this Marc Jacobs Perfect Cocoa Primer. This was like the primer that I pulled out. I only got 2 uses out of it. It was more like a moisturizer to me, honestly. So if you have dry skin, you might like this. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover, and it's very similar, honestly. So that's expensive for what it is. Other products that I pulled out because I was running out of things to use, so I just continued to pull things out to continue to use, was this Purity Made Simple Eye Hydro Bounce Eye Gel. This was more like a gel type of eye cream. It was okay. Again, it didn't really do too much for my under eyes, so I wouldn't buy a full size. This is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. I liked it. I actually liked this. Did I see anything? Not really, but I'm seeing that I like Kate Somerville stuff. So that one, it's nice. It was nice. This was another moisturizer, La Rochelle Posay, I guess is what you call it. It's the Lipid Car Lotion. It's a moisturizing lotion. It did good. It moisturized my skin well. Would I purchase a full size? Probably not. This was another thing that I really love. I couldn't get the rest of it out. This is the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. And you guys, I saw this do its job. So these little gold dots are like collagen, and I genuinely saw my face plump and supple and moisturized and like youthful in the morning using this. I would absolutely fork up the money for this. Once I'm done all these samples, I would fork up the money for this one. This, I really did see a difference. I love this one a ton. And I used it in conjunction with the Algenist night cream that I got from Influencer. Love that combo. So yes, I would get this. Now, an Algenist product I didn't like is the Ultimate Anti-Aging Eye Cream. So this is what it looks like here. Terrible. This burned the crap out of my eyes. And I would put it like really low under my eyes and not bring it up. And somehow after like 20 minutes of it being on my skin, somehow it would travel up to my eyes and burn and sting the crap out of my eyes. I tried it multiple days to see if I was putting it too close to my eyes, too close to my inner corners. It was terrible. No, I couldn't even finish it, so that one's just going to go to the trash. I'm not even going to give it to anybody. No. So we're going to recap. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I used 15 sample sizes. My goal is to use up 10. 16. So I used 16. One's going to the trash. So I did hit my goal. My goal was to use up 10. I used 16. That's awesome. What I have in use right now, and then from there, I'm going to pick out things that I need. Now for the hair, I am good. I'm actually using this Amika Soul Food Nurturing Mask. I've used it once. I liked it, but I've only used it once. And then the other hair mask thing that I'm using is this Matrix Biolage Blow-In Control Memory Cream. So I'm using this. So I already have my 2 hair products, so I'm not going to pull any hair products out. I'm still continuing to use these for, what are these? First Aid Beauty Moisturizing Challenge. So once I'm done with these, then I'll pull out a moisturizer when that time comes. So I'm still using this. I'm currently using for an eye cream, this Ole Hendrickson Ultimate Lift Eye Cream. It's a daytime cream. I don't mind this one. This one's actually not bad. So I'm using this one up, and then I'll pull another one. And then I have this Lancome Advanced Genifique. This is a serum that I'm using for the daytime. And then my serum for the nighttime is this Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. For an exfoliator, I'm almost done with this. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. I really like this a ton. It really does a nice job to exfoliate. And then another body thing that I have that I love. This is the, how do you say this? Owe, I don't know. Scalp and Body Scrub. This is the brand right here. This smells so good. I love this. I love this. And it's like it's a big chunks of like grains to put all over your body. I love it. I love how it feels after I scrub my body with this, the smell of it. I love this. So that's the other one that I'm using. So I'm not pulling out any hair care. I'm going to pull out 2 makeup, and then I'm going to pull out 1, 2, 3, 1, no wait, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't have to pull out many skincare because I already have my 6 here, my 2 here. So I'm going to pull out 2 makeup ones. Oh wait, I forgot, didn't I? Yes, I did. There is one more thing that I was using for makeup that I'm still using. So technically I'm going to pull out one. I forgot about it. It's the Bite Beauty lip treatment. I've used 2 out of the 3. So I'm not done with that yet because I use it, you know, I don't gunk it on my lips just to use it up. So I have one more of that. So I'm actually going to just pull out 1 sample. So let's see. I'm going to end up actually pulling out because I want to continue to use these. So I am going to pull out another one of these. This is the Agave lip mask. These are the ones that I'm wearing, currently using. I used up these 2 so far. It's on my nightstand, so that's why I don't have it with me. So I only have the yellow one left, but I'm going to pull out another one because I can use these right now with the winter time. My lips are super dry, so I can use that up. So as you guys can see, as I use up my samples, I'm just pulling out more samples as I go along so I don't waste time or waste samples. So every month I'm going to tell you what I used up, what I'm currently using, and then whatever I can pull out, I'm going to pull out. I'm going to pull out, what was it, 6? I have to look back at my video, but I'll put it up on the screen what I'm supposed to pull out. I know it's like 2 makeup, 2, yeah, so it's 2 makeup, 2 hair care, and 6 skincare products. So I already have 6 skincare products, 2 hair care, 1 makeup. So this is my other makeup one that I will be using. So that's it, guys. Let me know how you guys are doing with your samples if you are doing this with me. This was fun. 16 samples. That's really, really neat. I'm very happy, and I am finding what I'm enjoying, and I'm enjoying products that I know I will eventually buy full size of for skincare at least, because that's where I really want to get really good products for. And I haven't broken out. I'm being careful with my skin. I'm not overdoing it. I have 30 days. If something's not working for me or I get a reaction, I'm tossing it, you guys. I'm not forcing myself. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.